And as Swamiji said, I would like to speak about Kabir. Pyramid Spiritual Society's movement is equal to Kabir movement. So, Kabir is a very, very great spiritual scientist. Okay. And India's essence, India's heart, India's brain is in Kabir. Kabir is the quintessence of India's heart, India's brain, India's vision, India's mission. All these things, if you read Kabir, you will understand. So, the Pyramid Spiritual Society's movement is nothing other than the Kabir movement. And what are Kabir's two main points? Puja bitti bidi. Karma kanda bitti bidi. You know, all rituals bitti bidi. No rituals, no karma kanda, no puja. And Pyramid Spiritual Society movement also no puja. No vigraha aradhana.